Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you all? Yes, you all are good. Anna. So dear students, we already started our chapter number 4, our festival. In this category, I made you learn so many things. We learned so many things about our national festival as well as religious festival also. Hannah. So today we will start learning about the harvesting festival. Hannah. So first I am going to mention page number over here. We are going to learn in page number 28. Right? So first I want to take a small recap. Whatever we learned in our previous lecture, I am going to take a quick recap. Right? So we already learnt about the national festival. There are 3 kinds of national festival: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Right? So Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August 1947. Then Republic Day 26 January and Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Right? Apart from these national festivals, we also celebrating Children's Day and Teachers Day. Right? Now we will discuss about the religious festival. है ना? Religious festival gives us so many enjoyment, gives us so many happiness. है ना? India is the festival of lands. Each and every month we all are celebrating festivals. है ना? So while celebrating we are feeling so happy, so excited, and we enjoy a lot while celebrating the festivals. है ना? In this category I made you learn about the Dashera, है ना? About the Vijayadashmi. Dashera is called Vijayadashmi also. है ना? In this day Lord Rama killed Ravan. है ना? So it is victory good over evil. Right? So we all are to celebrating Dashera, but in West Bengal they are celebrating Dashera as Durga Puja. They all are doing the Durga Puja. They are worshipping idol of goddess Durga on this day. Right? So it is a very big, huge celebration in West Bengal. Right? Then I made you learn about the Deepavali. Yes, Diwali is the grand festival. Diwali is the biggest festival of Hindus. Diwali is the biggest festival of Hindus. Why? Because in this day we welcomed to our Lord Ram. And Lord Ram come back to Ayodhya on this day. After killing Ravana, Lord Ram come back to Ayodhya on this day. So people wants to welcome him. Ayodhya's people wants to welcome Lord Rama. That's why they decorated their houses. They decorated entire Ayodhya with diyas, petals and rangolis and garlands. So as like them, we also are following the same culture. On Diwali we all are decorating our houses. We are making so big rangoli in front of our houses. People are wearing new clothes. We all are doing the worship of Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of health and wealth. And Lord Ganesha gives us Achhi Buddhi. Yes, and Achhi Vidya. Right? So on this day children loves to burn the crackers. But dear students, be aware. When you will burn the crackers, very aware that time. And see dear students, crackers is also the cause of the noise pollution. So try to burn only the fuljadis and chakris and anar. Don't burn the big bum fatakes like sutli bum and all. Right? So move on. Then we talked about the Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated by the Muslim people, and this day they are wearing the new clothes and they are doing the group worship, group prayer in their mosque or Eidgah. And what they are doing after doing the group prayer, they are embarrass each other and they are saying Eid Mubarak, and on the younger ones get the Eid from their elders, है ना. On that day they are distributing the food and the clothes to poor people, है ना. And the sweet which is especially made on this day, it is Sivaiya. It is called Sivaiya, right? Then the Christmas we celebrate every year on 15th December. This is the birthday of Jesus Christ, है ना. So on, see dear students, when we celebrate each and every festival, that time we all are decorating our houses, whether we are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Bodh, Jain, Parsi, whatever religions I have, I will decorate my house while celebrating the festivals. ठीक. So on 25th of December we all are celebrating the birthday of Jesus Christ, है ना. So in that day what they are doing, see, this celebration is especially started in midnight, है ना. They will go in the church, they will do the prayer and they cut the cakes, है ना, and they offer and they do the group prayer especially, है ना. They all are gathering, all the Christian people are gathering in church and they are doing the prayer. They are doing the prayer, है ना. And one good thing about the festival is that Santa Claus, yes, Santa Claus comes and brings so many gifts for the children, right? Then we talked about the Guru Parva. Guru Parva is the festival of Sikh people. Yes, what they are doing, they also are decorating their houses, they also decorating their gurudwaras, they are doing group prayer, they are taking out a procession, है ना, and they are organizing the langar, and in that langar they are making the special kind of food and they are eating this food all together, right? So this was the recapitulation of the chapter. Now we will start the harvesting festival. We will start the harvesting festival. What is harvesting festival? Why we are celebrating harvesting festival? See dear students, not only in India but in entire world, जितनी भी countries है ना बेटा दूसरे देशों की, वो सब they all are celebrating the harvesting festival. ऐसा नहीं है कि we Indians all only they celebrate this festival. No, in entire world all are they celebrating harvest festivals, right? But here we will talk about the Indian harvesting festivals only. We will not talk about the harvesting festival of other countries, है ना. So harvesting festival are celebrated when wheat crop is ready for harvest. Yes, wheat and rice, these are the two main crops in India, है ना. When it is ready, when farmer gets the good crops, है ना, when farmer gets the good crops, so see why they are feeling happy when they will get the good crops. कभी आपने सोचा इस बात को कि why we all are celebrating the harvest festival? जो farmers होते हैं ना बेटा, they are doing very hard work entire year. They are doing very hard work entire year, है ना. Then तब जाके they are getting the good crop. तब जाके इतनी पूरे साल की मेहनत के बाद उनको एक अच्छी क्रॉप, एक अच्छी फसल मिलती है. सो ऑब्वियसली जब हम बहुत मेहनत करेंगे, है ना, और हमें उसका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा, देन डेफिनेटली वी फील सो वेरी हैप्पी, वी फील सो एक्साइटेड, है ना, एंड वी वांट्स टू सेलिब्रेट दैट डे. दैट्स व्हाई द हार्वेस्टिंग फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द farmers, right? So see, I am giving you a small example. See, when you will do hard work entire the year, है ना, you all are the students and you will do the hard work, then on result day you feel so very happy, very excited. Why? Because you get the flying colors, you get the nice colors, means you got the good marks, है ना. जब आप अपना रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखते हो, मम्मा एंड पापा फील सो वेरी प्राउड. यस, मेरे बेटे के कितने अच्छे नंबर आए, मेरी बेटी के कितने अच्छे मार्क्स आए, उसने क्लास में टॉप किया है. सो ऐसे ही फार्मर्स भी पूरे साल बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और जब उन्हें बहुत अच्छी क्रॉप मिलती है, बहुत अच्छी फसल मिलती है, तो वो इंजॉय करना चाहते हैं, वो सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं अपने उस हार्ड वर्क को, अपने उस हार्ड वर्क को, ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द हार्वेस्टिंग फेस्टिवल. सो ओके, सो इन दिस कैटेगरी फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न अबाउट द होली, है ना. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द होली on page number 29. Whatever is written in your book, first I will read, then I will explain to you, right? So first we will discuss about the Holi. Yes, Holi is celebrated in the month of February or March. It marks the end of winter. Holi is called the festival of colors. People spray colors, water, gulal on each other and sing and dance on and beating drums and dolls. Yes, right. So I want to tell you something. The festival Holi is especially celebrated in North India, especially celebrated in North India and Uttar Pradesh, है ना. This is the festival. Basically this festival comes from Uttar Pradesh, comes from North India, right? So this festival is started at midnight. This festival is started at midnight with bonfire. With bonfire क्या करते हैं, वो लकड़ियों का ढेर लगाकर आग जलाते हैं, है ना. And marking the death of होलिका. Yes, it is a next day, है ना. जो होलिका जो होती है ना, उनको होली में जलाया जाता है, ठीक है. And it is a very next day we start playing the Holi. We starts playing the Holi, right? So what we are doing on this day? This day we are not going to wear new clothes. इस दिन हम नए कपड़े नहीं पहनते. Then what mama tells you, अरे बेटा you wear your that old t-shirt and old jeans ना. Why you are wearing this new one? So especially we all are not wearing new clothes, but nowadays people started wear white new clothes, है ना. क्योंकि वाइट क्लोथ पे जब भी बहुत सारे कलर्स पड़ते हैं बेटा, इट्स लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल, राइट. सो व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग ऑन दिस डे, व्हाई, हाउ दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग. यस, they are celebrating this day by playing the colors, है ना. So Holi is called the festival of colors. Holi is called the festival of colors. People spray colors and waters on each other, है ना. We all are using the multicolors. आप सब क्या बोलते हो पापा को, पापा प्लीज बाय ऑल द कलर्स ऑफ गुलाल्स फॉर मी, है ना. And buy a nice big पिचकारी for me also, है ना. It means you are using the dry colors as well as wet colors also, and you are using water also, है ना. So and what you are doing, you are singing, you are dancing and eating the special food which is prepared by your mama, right? So this is all about this Holi. And dear students, Holi, have you heard this Vrindavan, Mathura's Holi? Yes, Vrindavan और मथुरा की होली is very 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 famous in all over India. Not only in all over India, but it is famous in outside of India also. So many tourists, they are coming to see that मथुरा एंड वृंदावन होली. बहुत सारे बेटा जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ के लोग हैं ना, वो भी हमारे देश में सिर्फ और सिर्फ मथुरा और वृंदावन की होली देखने आते हैं. ये बहुत शानदार तरीके से खेली जाती है मथुरा और वृंदावन में. सो बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट जो बाहर की कंट्रीज़ के होते हैं वो टूरिस्ट कहलाते हैं, तो वो आते हैं और वो भी इस फेस्टिवल का इंजॉय करते हैं, इसका आनंद उठाते हैं, राइट. सो now we will talk about the Pongal. Pongal is also a harvesting festival. Pongal is also a harvesting festival. Where it is celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated in Kerala, है ना, in the month of August and September. In the month of August and September. On this day, what the people of Kerala are doing, how they are celebrating, what they are doing, what kind of preparation they starts doing before this festival. So they decorated elephant. They decorated the elephant and they take out the procession of elephants, है ना. And the famous snake boat race. The famous snake boat race are held on Onam. Onam पे बेटा famous boat race भी होती है. Right. So we will talk about the Baisakhi. Yes, Baisakhi is also a harvesting festival. It is celebrated in Punjab. It is celebrated in Punjab in the month of April. In the month of April every year they all are celebrating maybe 12 or 13 April. This festival they are celebrating in 12 or 13 April, right? So what they are doing in this day? Yes, they all are wearing the new clothes, है ना. They all are doing the bhangra and the giddha, है ना, and they are beating the drums and the dhols and they are celebrating this festival Baisakhi, right? And now discuss about the Bihu. What is Bihu? Bihu is harvested festival of which state? Assam. Yes, Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Young boys and girls are wearing the colorful dresses on this day and they perform Bihu dance. This dance is especially performed on in this day only, है ना. So young girls and young boys are wearing new colorful dresses, new colorful clothes and they are performing this Bihu dance, right? So this is all about the harvesting festival. Nothing is written in this book. Whatever is written I already read and I already explained to you. Last 4 or 5 lines are remained, so I am going to read then I will explain you. Beside these festivals, people also celebrated many other festivals. Yet, yes, it is very much correct written over here in your book. See, there are few festivals name over here in your book about the religious and the harvest, but we all are to celebrating so many festivals, है ना. So some names are written. One list is there. ठीक है, I am going to read that list. Raksha Bandhan. Yes, Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister. It is also celebrated in all over in India. Vasant Panchami. Next is Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is celebrated in honor of goddess Saraswati. And Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated in honor of Lord Shiva. Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna and Navratri is celebrated in honor of goddess Durga. Right? So I will discuss all about these festivals in my next lecture. Hope you are enjoying while learning. So today we learnt about the harvesting festival. In this category we learnt about the Holi, the Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi and Bihu, है ना. When we will meet in our next lecture, then I will discuss about this list which is given in your book, है ना. Apart from the book, some more festivals we all are celebrating in all over the India. So we will discuss in deeply. We will discuss about all these festivals in deeply. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day. But before going today, I am giving you a little work. I am giving you a little work. What you have to do, dear student, you have to draw the picture of India's map. आपको क्या करना है, भारत का जो मैप है उसकी पिक्चर्स आपको ड्रॉ करनी है और उस मैप के अंदर आपको क्या करना है, उस मैप के अंदर आपको जितनी भी हमारे कंट्री में रिलीजन है, जितनी भी हमारे कंट्री में रिलीजन है, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, बौद्ध, पारसी, जो भी उनके इंडिकेशन है, जो भी उनके सिंबल है, यू हैव टू मेक इन दैट मैप. ठीक है, वंस अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू, आपको क्या करना है, आपको इंडिया का एक मैप बनाना है। उस मैप के अंदर हमने जितने भी फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट, जितने भी फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में लर्निंग करी, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इन दैट मैप। आपको वहाँ पर उस मैप के अंदर आपको दिवाली का दिया भी बनाना है, उस मैप के अंदर आपको ईद का सिंबल भी बनाना है, ठीक है, चांद भी बनाना है, फिर आपको नवरात्रि की दुर्गा जी भी बनानी है, देन डांडिया भी बनाना है, देन आपको रक्षाबंधन की राखी भी बनानी है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे का फ्लैग भी बनाना है। सो whatever festival, whatever things we learned in this chapter, you have to make in the India map. आपको उसको पूरा वैसा बनाना है और मुझे आपकी पिक भेजना है, right? So it is enough from my side. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless, take care of yourself, bye.